I am Elmer Borlongan. I'm a Filipino artist based in San Antonio, Zambales, Philippines. Mostly my paintings are based on the ordinary people, their struggles, their hopes. Our studio here and our house are surrounded by mango trees. We are near the mountains and the West Philippine Sea. We call it our playground. This is our sacred space. As soon as I wake up, I go to my studio. My habit is to draw every day. Those sketchbooks that I've finished through the years become a source of inspiration for my next body of works. Mainly I use oil on canvas, and sometimes I also shift to using water-based medium, which is acrylic on canvas. Recently, I explored the medium of printmaking, which is the natural progression of my art practice. I really love to draw, so using printmaking as a medium of expression is really apt for what I'm doing. As an art student, I started learning drawing and painting at an early age. I've studied the rigid principles of doing the right proportion, the right perspective, but somehow I find it limiting in the subjects that I tackle. My basis was to go the direction of expressionist works, which is exaggerating figures, exaggerating colors to emphasize the emotions of the subject matter.